To add photo to a contact on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, first we need to go to the phone app. Let's switch to contacts in the bottom right corner, and then we can select the contact for which we want to add a photo. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, and then press this eye icon on the right side. Now over here at the bottom we can press edit, and unfortunately if you see something like this, then it means that the contact is saved on the SIM card and it is not possible to add the photo. So you need to have the contact saved on your phone storage or your Google account or Samsung account or anything else, as long as it is not SIM card. So as an example, I'm going to choose this contact, and if I press edit, you might see something like this. So now in the top right corner here, we can tap on the profile icon, and we can choose one of these avatars. We can open the camera in order to take the photo and use it as the photo for the contact, or we can open the gallery, pick the photo from the gallery. We can of course adjust the photo as well. We can zoom in, zoom out, and change the position. Press done in the bottom right corner, and then save. And there we go, save again. And we have assigned a photo to a contact. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!